Hello everyone, my name is Marika Rahtu and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. This video is special in two ways. This is my first video in which I'm actually drawing, and I would say this is more speed drawing and coloring video than a card making tutorial. And the second reason is that this card is for a special friend of mine. I met her here in Blockland for about a year ago. She is celebrating her birthday this week and I wanted to make a card for her. So, congratulations Kelly! Kelly from You and Your Big Dreams is such a sweet person and very talented crafter and colorist. There are some things that she loves, and what I've learned through our talks, she loves her Copics, bold and vibrant colors, and one particular thing that she loves is one-layer cards. I tried to combine all those things into this card. Hopefully you like it, Kelly. Now I'm going to turn on some music onto the background and let you enjoy the drawing and coloring. The stamped image is from Diddly Inks from a stamped set called For the Birds, and the sentiment is from Altenue from their birthday greeting set. I'll list all the colors that I use to the upper left corner so you can see what colors I use. Hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. I list all the products that I use to my blog and the link will be at the description below. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye!